This is Tesla new Model 3. There is no turning stalk. It is difficult to choose direction using the buttons, especially when you turn the steering wheel like this or like that. Now, we have developed the turning pedals to choose directions and other functions. This pedal has 3 settings: short press, or double click, or long press. Here is the example of the left-hand drive Tesla. The installation is easy. Just clip it on the steering wheel like this. If you short press, it is to turn left. If you short press again, it is off. If you double click, the headlight flashes twice. If you long press, the high beam is on if it is not in auto mode. If you long press again, the high beam is off. This is the right pedal with the spot here. We just clip it on the steering wheel like this. If you short press, it is to turn right. If you short press again, it is off. If you double click, the wiper wipe one time. If you long press, it is to wash the window. We also developed a dock pad with 3 physical buttons to open the glove box and to open the doors. The installation is to clip it in this hole. This is the left button. If you short press, it is to fold the rear view mirrors. If you short press again, it is to unfold. If you double click, it is to move the seat forwards. If you double click again, it is to stop. If you long press, it is to open the left rear door. This is the right button. If you short press, it is to open the glove box. If you double click, it is to move the seat backwards. If you double click again, it is to stop. If you long press, it is to open the right rear door. This is the middle button. If you short press, it is to turn the roof lights on. If you short press again, it is to turn it off. If you double click, it is to preheat the battery for third-party fast charging. If you long press, it is to open the right front door. If it is right-hand drive, then it is to open the left front door. If you want to remove the pedals, it is easy. Just push it from here and take it out. If you want to remove the pedals, just push it from the back. Before we install the pedals and dock pads, we have to install the controller inside the pillars at the passenger side. Let me show you how to install the controller.
Take out the rubber strip. Use pry tool to open the panel from the gap. Move the pry tool along the gap. Take out the panel. Use pry tool to take out the expansion screw. Take out the strip along the foot panel. Take out the foot panel. There are 3 metal clips. Pay special attention to it. Do not let it fall off. If stuck here, take it out. Clip it back here. Disconnect the original connector. Use a needle to push a plastic out. Plug our big male into regional, big female. Plug regional male into our female. Our male into regional female. Fix it and recover everything.